Have you ever wondered about the advancements in cancer treatments and how they are changing the landscape of medical science? Cancer is a word that brings with it a heavy weight. It's a condition that has touched almost every life in some way or another. We all know someone, a friend, a family member, or perhaps even ourselves, who has wrestled with this formidable opponent. Traditionally, the battle against cancer has been fought with a trinity of treatments: surgery to remove tumors, radiation to kill cancer cells, and chemotherapy to halt their growth. These treatments have served us well, saving countless lives and giving people precious years they might not have had otherwise. But they are not without their drawbacks. Surgery can be invasive and carries its own risks. Radiation, while effective, can damage healthy tissue. And chemotherapy, well, anyone who has undergone it or watched a loved one go through it knows that it is a cure that often feels as harsh as the disease itself. But what if I told you that we are on the cusp of a new era in cancer treatment? One that could revolutionize how we approach this disease and open up a world of possibilities. This is not the stuff of science fiction. It's happening right now in labs and hospitals around the world. One of these advancements is the concept of liquid cancer. Now that might sound strange, maybe even a little scary, but it's actually an exciting development that could transform the way we detect and treat cancer. Imagine a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence but a manageable condition. That's the world we're moving towards. This is the unknown world of cancer treatments, a world that promises hope, progress, and a future where cancer is not a dreaded enemy, but a foe we know how to fight and win against. It's a world we're eager to explore and understand, and we invite you to journey with us as we delve deeper into these fascinating advancements. So what is this new wave of cancer treatments all about? Well, let's dive in together and break it down. We're talking about targeted therapies, immunotherapies, and precision medicine. Each of these represents a significant leap forward in our fight against cancer. But what do they mean, and how are they different from traditional methods? Let's start with targeted therapies. These treatments are like the snipers of cancer care, zeroing in on specific characteristics of cancer cells, leaving healthy cells untouched. Imagine a lock and key mechanism. The therapy is designed like a key to fit perfectly into the lock, which is a specific part of the cancer cell. This allows the treatment to directly target and disrupt the growth of cancer cells. Then we have immunotherapies. This is where we harness the power of your own immune system to fight cancer. It's like turning your body's soldiers into super soldiers. Immunotherapies work by either stimulating your immune system to work harder or smarter to attack cancer cells, or by giving your immune system components, such as man-made immune system proteins, to boost its cancer-fighting capabilities. Finally, we have precision medicine. This is a tailor-made approach, personalized to your unique genetic makeup. It's like having a suit or dress custom-made to fit you perfectly. In the same way, precision medicine uses genetic testing to determine the most effective treatment for your specific type of cancer. These new treatments are a departure from traditional methods, which often involve a more generalized approach, like chemotherapy or radiation. While these methods can be effective, they also affect healthy cells, leading to side effects. The new wave of treatments aims to minimize these side effects, making the treatment process more tolerable for patients. So, in essence, this new wave of cancer treatments isn't just about medical jargon and complex terminology. It's about giving hope and offering a future to millions of people who are bravely battling cancer. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cancer care and striving for a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence. These treatments are not just medical jargon, they represent hope and a future for millions of people. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is liquid cancer? This term might sound a bit perplexing, but it's actually a beacon of hope in the world of cancer research. To put it simply, liquid cancer, also known as liquid biopsy, is a game-changing technique that allows for early cancer detection. Although the name suggests something ominous, it's far from it. The term liquid refers to the blood sample used for the procedure, while cancer indicates what the test is looking for. You see, our bodies are incredible machines. When something is wrong, like the presence of cancer, our body sends out signals. Sometimes these signals are cancer cells or fragments of cancer DNA that escape into the bloodstream. A liquid biopsy seeks out these signals in a blood sample, much like a message in a bottle drifting in the sea. This procedure is non-invasive, meaning it doesn't require any surgery or painful procedures. It's as simple as drawing blood from your arm. And what's even more amazing is that it can detect cancer way before any physical symptoms appear. It's like having a secret agent inside your body, keeping an eye out for any troublesome activity and alerting you at the first sign of danger. This early detection is crucial because the sooner we find out about the cancer, the better the chances of successful treatment. But it's not just about early detection. Liquid biopsies can also provide valuable information about the specific characteristics of the cancer. This can help doctors tailor treatment to the individual, improving the effectiveness of therapy and potentially reducing side effects. But remember, while this is an exciting development, it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool, a very powerful one, in our ongoing fight against cancer. So the next time you hear the term liquid cancer, don't be alarmed. It's not a new type of cancer, but a breakthrough in early detection and treatment. Liquid cancer is not a type of cancer, but a breakthrough in early detection and treatment. So, what does all of this mean for cancer patients and their loved ones? In the vast, often intimidating world of cancer treatments, there's a glimmer of hope, a beacon that's growing brighter with every passing day. These advancements we've been discussing are more than just scientific breakthroughs. They are lifelines, offering renewed hope to those battling cancer. Imagine being able to detect cancer at its earliest stages, even before the onset of symptoms. That's the promise of liquid biopsy, a cutting-edge method that's rapidly gaining momentum in the medical field. By analyzing a simple blood sample, doctors can now identify the presence of cancerous cells, and often, the specific type of cancer. This early detection can drastically increase survival rates, offering patients a fighting chance against the disease. But this is just the beginning. The world of medical research is bustling with activity. There are ongoing trials and studies, each one aiming to refine these methods to make them more accurate, more accessible. Every day, researchers are uncovering new insights, developing more effective treatments, and inching closer to that ultimate goal, a cure. In parallel, there's a growing emphasis on personalized medicine, because just as every individual is unique, so too is every cancer. By understanding the genetic makeup of a tumor, doctors can tailor treatments that are specific to each patient. This approach not only increases the effectiveness of the treatment, but also reduces the risk of side effects. Yes, the journey is far from over. There's still a long road ahead, filled with challenges and uncertainties. But every step forward is a step closer to a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but a manageable condition. So, for those in the throes of this battle, for those waiting anxiously for good news, for those who have loved and lost, take heart. Progress may be slow, but it is steady. And with every passing day, we're getting closer to turning the tide against this formidable foe. In this era of medical advancements, there's more hope than ever for those diagnosed with cancer. But what's the point of all this medical progress, you might ask? Well, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've taken today. We've navigated the challenging terrain of cancer treatments, breaking down the latest advancements, and exploring the fascinating world of liquid cancer. But why does all this matter? To put it simply, it's not just about treating cancer, it's about transforming lives. It's about offering patients not just more time, but a better quality of life. With each new treatment, we're not just aiming to extend lives, we're striving to enrich them, to make every moment count. We're not just fighting a disease, we're championing the human spirit. Moreover, these advancements provide more options. No longer are patients confined to a one-size-fits-all approach. We're moving towards personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's unique needs. This means that patients have a greater say in their care, a sense of control in a situation that can often feel overwhelming. But perhaps most importantly, these advancements bring hope. Hope for a future where cancer is not a death sentence, but a manageable condition. Hope for a world where we no longer lose our loved ones to this cruel disease. Every breakthrough, every new treatment, every step forward in our understanding of cancer fuels this hope. This journey we've taken today is just a snapshot of the incredible work being done. It's a testament to the dedication and perseverance of scientists, doctors, and patients around the world. It's a reminder of our collective strength and resilience in the face of adversity. So, as we wrap up, remember this. In the face of cancer, we're not powerless. We're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and that's something to be hopeful about. This is not the end of our fight against cancer, but rather another step forward in our pursuit of a world free from its grasp. Remember, every step we take brings us closer to that goal, and that, dear friends, is truly something to be hopeful about.